Hello student, welcome back. I am Mrs. Harsha Dhope from Praveen Patil Polytechnic, Bhayandar. Today we are going to study practical number 5, that is a program to fill a polygon. After watching this video, you will be able to know about write a programs to fill a polygon. In theory, we have detailed studied about polygon. Okay, we have studied about the types of polygon. We know that there are two types of polygon, convex and concave polygon. Now, what do you mean by filling polygon? Filling any polygon means highlighting or coloring all the pixels which lies inside the polygon with any color and other than the background color. Then see this is your experiment number 5, that is a program to fill a polygon. Okay, polygon is a chain of connected line segments. For filling polygon with a particular color, you need to determine the pixels falling on the border of the polygon and those which fall inside the polygon. Practical outcomes of this particular video or practical are you will be able to write a program to fill polygon using flood fill algorithm. You have to see the theory lecture previously I have uploaded on a site to get the complete knowledge for this program. Here I will explain the practical part. Then next is what is the flood fill algorithm? Flood fill algorithm, we start with some seed and examining the neighboring pixel. However, pixels are checked for a specified interior color instead of boundary color and is replaced by a new color. It can be done using 4 connected or 8 connected region method. What is the procedure to fill the polygon? Using flood fill algorithm. In this, first is flood fill function. In this flood fill function, first parameter is node. Node means a particular pixel that is having x and y coordinates, comma, target color means a new color and replacement color, that is the old color. Then first step is if target color is equals to replacement color, then return. If your new color is equal to the old color, then return. Second step is if the color of a node is not equals to target color, then return. Set the color of a node to replacement color. Okay, you have to change that particular color of a node. Then fourth step is perform flood fill, one step to the south of the node, target color, replacement color. Then perform flood fill, one step to the north of the node, comma, target color, comma, replacement color. Then perform flood fill, one step to the west of the node, comma, target color, comma, replacement color. Then perform flood fill, one step to the east of the node, comma, target color, comma, replacement color. Then return. And let's see the program for a flood fill algorithm to fill a particular polygon. Okay, in this program, first I have declared 4 header files, hash include stereo.h, hash include conio.h and hash include graphics.h and hash include dots.h. Then according to your procedure, first you have to declare the flood fill function. So I have declared here for fill function void flood. In this flood, in this place of flood, you can write any name, flood fill or flood fill algo or FL, AL. You can write anything. But then in this function, you have to pass the parameters int x, int y, int new color, int old color. This x and y, these are the coordinates of the particular pixel which we have to fill. This new color, that is a color which we want to fill, and this old color, it is a particular old color of that pixel. Here the next open curly bracket and the next if get pixel in bracket x comma y, this is a particular pixel, is equals to old color. Okay, means suppose this is your polygon. Okay, this whole is your polygon, this is my xy point. Okay, if thus get pixel xy equals to old color, means what, this particular xy point is having a old color, then I have to use put pixel. Then what I am doing, I am using a put pixel. Put pixel x comma y comma new color, means what, that xy point it will be changed to the new color. The next I am using a delay in bracket 50, means what, we can see that particular pixel is filling. Then after that we are using the 8 connected method. We have studied what is the 8 connected and 4 connected method. We have studied that in 8 connected method, the 8 that are adjacent to the particular pixel are considered, and here the same method is used. Okay, and in 4 connected method, only the 4 coordinates that are adjacent to the particular pixel are considered. For example, this is your pixel, suppose. Then in 4 connected method, these 4 coordinates or the 4 points, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4, these 4 points that are the connected to this particular pixel, this is my xy pixel, and the points which are connected to this particular pixel, 4 points which are connected we are considering. And in 8 connected method, the 8 points which are connected to this particular pixel are considered. That is this 2 point, this is the third, this is the fourth, and this is fifth, sixth, 7 and then 8. Okay, this is my pixel xy, and the pixel which are around this particular pixel, 8 pixels are considered in 8 connected method. And in 8 connected filling method, we will fill this 8 pixel, and in 4 connected filling method, we will fill this particular 4 pixels. In this algorithm, we are using the 8 connected method. Okay, here we are calling this float function again, that is float in bracket x plus y, y, x plus 1, y, new color, old color. Here, which pixel will be filled using this particular step? The pixel that is the x plus 1, that is next to that particular pixel. In this way, all the adjacent pixel, all the 8 adjacent pixel of a particular pixel will be filled. Okay, if the get pixel xy, means if the centered pixel is old color, then it will be filled by the new color using these steps. Then here is your main function. In main function, I already explained you that you have to use detect graph and init graph. Inside this main function, we have declared gd, gm, and then detect graph in bracket ampersand gd, ampersand gm. Why this gd and gm? It is used to convert the textual mode to the graphics mode. Then I have used init graph function, init graph in bracket ampersand gd, ampersand gm, double quote. Inside this double quote, you have to write the path. Then I am using a rectangle 50, 50, 100, 100. I have created a particular rectangle. I have drawn a rectangle and then I am passing parameters to this flood function. Flood 51, 51, 4, 0. I am passing that particular coordinate to the flood function to get field, and then get ch. You have to use the get ch, and you have to use the close graph function to close the particular graph. Then let's execute this program. You can see that particular rectangle is filling by using a color. In this way, you can see the rectangle is filling by using a flood fill algorithm. That's all about your flood fill algorithm. Thank you for watching this video.